arid and semi-arid lands are usually dismissed. Too dry, too hot, too marginal to matter. That assumption is wrong. Drylands cover more than 40% of Earth's land surface. If they fail, global restoration fails. But drylands evolved to survive scarcity. Their plants are specialists. They grow slowly above ground and aggressively below it. The dominant carbon actors here are deep-rooted desert trees and shrubs. Acacia prosopis, mesquite, desert legumes. These species fix nitrogen, stabilize soil and create microclimates. Their roots can reach 20 to 40 meters deep. That depth changes everything. Carbon pulled below the evaporation zone stays locked. Soil moisture increases, microbial life returns, surface temperatures drop. Mature arid zone systems can absorb 1 to 5 tons of carbon dioxide per hectare per year. That may seem modest, but scale changes the math. Arid lands are vast, underused, and politically available. Restoration does not compete with cities or forests. It expands function where little exists today. The primary failure in arid regions is not lack of rain, it is loss of structure. Once vegetation disappears, wind strips soil away. Heat increases, water runs off. Recovery stops. The solution is strategic re-anchoring. Planting is done in contours. Windbreaks are established first. Water harvesting shapes the land. Once anchors exist, vegetation spreads naturally. Costs are low relative to impact. Arid restoration typically ranges from $400 to $1 to $800 per hectare. Adding a 20% buffer covers water capture, fencing, and monitoring. This is one of the most cost-effective carbon interventions on Earth. Arid systems also support livelihoods. Fuel wood, pulp fodder, gum resins, food crops beneath canopies. That matters. Restoration that feeds people lasts. Arid lands will never look like forests. They do not need to. Their job is stability. They stop expansion of deserts. They slow atmospheric carbon. They protect everything downstream. Ignore drylands and collapse spreads. Restore them, and the system holds.